we are going to make a unique design. So this design will give us a white there. I will try the different option here. We will make that design and changes there. Keep it simple. Add some further shapes. Use a paint there. Keep making another one. Let's try the design here. Align it into the center, and we will spread the design over the whole. So that's it.